Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Home Depot business credit card. The first step is to open your browser and search for Apply for Home Depot business credit card. The official application is handled by City Retail Services, so make sure you click the correct link, usually from citibankonline.com. Once you're on the page, you can start your application online. Or if you prefer, you can apply at any Home Depot store. For the application itself, you'll need to provide some details. This includes your personal information, your legal business name, your business address, your email, and your tax ID number. You'll also be asked to share details about your business financial status, such as revenue and expenses. You'll also be asked to share details about your business financial status, such as revenue and expenses. Citi will then run a credit check to determine your eligibility. Once the application is submitted, you'll be notified of the decision. If approved, you'll receive your credit limit and the terms of the card. And that's it. That's how you can apply for a Home Depot business credit card quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.